Ciana ire na mawathe cia kuguneka thutha wa ikundi cia wendi mwega kunyitanira kugacirithia miturire yao na njira ya gutigirira ni ciamukira mathomo undu umwe na motungata matiganite. Ndagĩtarĩ Thomas Ngwiri uria ni murigitani thibitari-ini wa Ciana wa Gertrudes augite ari bata kunyitirira ciana ire na mawathe kwirugamia muturire wao wa thutha-ini akiuria andu a wendi mwega kumateithĩrĩria hari gukinyaniria kioneki giki.
The program was looking at inclusion, bringing the children with the various disabilities to the open, to be able to participate in activities that boost their confidence, their social interaction, and make them better placed to fit into various environments, including the workplace. So this is one of those examples of how children can come, meet others, interact, and generally improve their social interaction skills.
Kwaga kwandĩkwo mawĩra, kwaga gĩthomo gĩkinyaniru na motungata mangĩ ni mamwe ma moritũ maria ciana ire na mawathe itũnganaga namo.
There are many children who are born with disability, but they are not brought out to the open. So one of the aims of the kind of activity we are undertaking is creating the awareness, destigmatizing the conditions so that parents feel free to bring out their children. That also helps not only the individual children, but also in getting the correct statistics of who is afflicted so that we are able to plan better.
Mwena-inĩ wake mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kambuni ya Sanlam George Kuria ni ateterithitie bata wa kunyitanira hari guteithia ciana ici kwĩrũgamia kuona kũrĩ maũndũ maingĩ ciana ici itamukagira ni ũndũ wa wathe wao akiuria andu a wendi mwega kunyitirira ciana ici.
So we are looking at impacting over 300 children majorly just on social inclusion and being able to see how can we be able to just improve some of the talents that they have. And today, as you can see, we actually have quite a number of activities and sports being one of them, as well as also occupational therapy. Call to action to the other partners majorly is we just need to work together. Collaboration is key. So in whatever sector you are, if you're able to collaborate with other partners who can be able to improve the lives of children living with special needs, it's something that we can be able to all do and hopefully also promote these children as well as even the growth of society in terms of even for them in terms of just the long-term view.
Kuringana na riboti ni ati andu aria mari na mawathe magaga kwandĩkwo mawĩra kaingĩ ni kwaga gukinyaniria ikero iria ibataranagia kimathomo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Waithira Wairogo.